I want to show you some of the things I did to my CRF 230F Honda to turn it into my personal expedition bike. What it's got here, we've got the basic armor on the front, armor here. I've got the computer. I got a speedometer, tach, temperature gauge, all that good stuff. This is street legal, so got this little switch all rigged up to do all my street legal signals and stuff. Got signals, brake lights, all that good stuff. I think that's a K270 tire. I love it. It works really good. Excellent grip when you're on the side of a hill and stuff. And then I got these Roswheel bags, and what they do is allow me to hold a bunch of stuff, and they're 25 bucks on eBay. So this one has a little plastic deal to keep it from swinging in, and this one over here has a coffee can to keep it away from the exhaust. It's been road tested for about 600 miles or more, and it's holding up really good. I can hold tons of stuff if I have to. I can strap just about anything to the top. And it's got a nice little rack. This bike has a fair amount of aftermarket parts and stuff that you can get for it, so that's a real cool deal. So overall, this is what gets me up in the mountains. Oh, one most important thing is the seat. See here, it's a little firm, and here it's really soft. That makes all the difference in the world. You gotta have that soft seat when you're riding. Alright, let's get back to it.